Chemical and physical change. Last year you studied chemical and physical properties. Physical properties would include things like hardness, density, texture. Can you flatten it into a sheet? Is it soft? Chemical properties describe how it reacts, like is it flammable? Does it react to things? Does it rust? Is it poisonous? Physical change does not alter the substance. So example, if you pound a sugar cube to dust, it is still sugar. Dissolve it in water and you can still taste the sugar. Water can be changed to ice and steam back to water, and you can do this forever. So the physical change, it's still there. You can take the sugar water, boil it dry, and get the sugar back. Chemical change involves new substances being formed. So if you burn sugar and carbon is formed, it's black and does not look or taste like sugar. And good luck getting the sugar back. How to tell physical from chemical change. Common sense. If all I've done is crush it, stretch it, squeeze it, melt it, freeze it, dissolve it, then it's probably the same as it was before. It's physical change. However, if it burns, lets out sound, light, odor, forms bubbles, or makes clear liquids turn cloudy, which is called a precipitate, then it is often chemical change, not 100%. Another key is that it can't easily be reversed. You cannot uncook a marshmallow, but that's really not appropriate. What you want to do is look at this list: burns, sound, light, odor, bubbles, or cloudiness is a sign of a chemical change. The best example of a chemical change are fireworks. You have sound, light, smell, bubbles if you detonate it in water, and the smoke is particles in the air because it will settle out in dirty surfaces. So it's got all of them in a firework. Best example of a physical change is letting an ice cube melt. You still have water at the start and there's still water at the end. It's not been changed to something new. This glow light, stop laughing, it's not that funny. If you bend this glow light and it lights up, is that chemical or physical change? Well, it's chemical because new materials are created. It's letting off light, it may even get a bit warm, and you definitely can't reuse it. So it's chemical change, but it's not my favorite one. This guy, he would be chemical change as well because the light being given off. And just like you using up your food, he can only glow so long and he's going to need more food energy. Is this still wood? After he's done this, then it is simply physical change. And when you grind up rock salt into, say, powder, has it changed from salt to something else? The answer is no, so it's physical change.